Welcome to Pocket Money. Today we're discussing how to make £1,000 in 2023. As the cost of living crisis worsens, many people will start the new year looking at ways to make some extra cash. 6 top tips for 2023. Number 1. Switch bank accounts. A relatively simple way to make up to £175 is to find bank accounts willing to offer you incentives in order to switch your bank account to theirs. Currently, First Direct is offering £175 to new customers. Terms and conditions do apply, so check with the bank before switching to find out more. Number 2. Boost your savings. If you have savings in one of your accounts paying a low interest rate, it's a good time to shop around and to try find a more competitive rate. While no accounts can currently beat the rate of inflation, you can get 7% with First Direct's regular saver account. There are other savings accounts out there that have competitive rates. Research to see what is available to you. Number 3. Sell your old stuff. It may be worth selling your old clothing or accessories. There are a few second-hand marketplaces such as Vinted and eBay. Before registering and listing items, do some research to see which platform is best for the items you plan to sell and how much people have sold similar items for. Users should also factor in any fees for using the platform. Some people easily make £150 selling off their old clothing or kids' clothing. Number 4. Check for unclaimed benefits. More than 7 million households in the UK could be missing out on help. Benefits like council tax discounts, pension credit, and universal credit. What you can get depends on your personal circumstances. For example, people who are out of work or on low incomes may be able to claim universal credit. If you qualify, you would receive regular payments to top up your income. There are a few websites that give advice for what you may be entitled to. You may be asked to answer a few questions, and then based on your answers, they will tell you what you should apply for and where to apply. Number 5. Try cashback sites. Did you know shoppers can claim cashback on their purchases through sites such as Tup Cashback? An example is retailers may offer cashback as a fixed amount of up to £50 on washing machines or a percentage off the purchase price, anything from 0.5% to more than 20%. However, be aware that you'll need to use the cashback site's link for your purchase to be counted and qualify. It is very important to compare upfront costs first, as sometimes even the most generous cashback offers or discounts may not compensate for an above-average headline price. Cashback is a bonus if you're set on buying an item anyway, but is not necessarily worth basing your purchase decision entirely on. Number 6. Match betting. There are sites out there that customers can make regular income from. Match betting sites such as Outplayed give customers a platform where essentially they can get free bets for bookies. There is more to match betting, so read up on it. Most sites have a simple video which quickly explains how you can do it in your spare time. Please do subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you.